Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a haul for you. This haul is from BeeBeeCrafts. It is a craft company, and I will put a link down below for you. I don't make anything off of the, you purchasing them, but oh my gosh, they did send me this stuff. So I thought I would show it to you. Super cute little charms. Look at that little cupcake. And here's another one. Another one of my favorites. It looks like it's another cupcake. Got a little bunny rabbit. Oh, two cupcakes. Lots of these little acorns here. And then this little charm. And I know that is some kind of sign, but I don't know what it's for. So I think it's a zodiac sign of some sort. So it is fun and cute. I also got these little guys. These are beautiful. Please ignore my one poor little nail broke off. And that means it's time to go get my nails done. But first, we're going to go ahead and show you these. I'm going to show you on this box so you can see. Isn't that cute? Do you see all the colors? Beautiful. And then you got the same on the other as well. So pretty. So that came with 5 in there, and they do have a little tiny hole. So I thought these would make adorable earrings. Don't you think those would make really cute earrings? I thought so. All right, few other pieces. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and open these. These are European classical scissors. I've never had like just elegant, like cute scissors. And they're supposed to be pretty sharp. I think I might keep this right here for a decoration because that's really pretty. So let's see. It looks like it has a little bit of a curve to it. Let's see. It does cut fairly well, but they're stainless steel and they seem to do the job okay. Cutting something I normally don't cut, so yeah, pretty good. So look at that decoration though. That is what I'm talking about. So pretty. So got some cute little scissors. Now these two things, they kind of go together. And let me show you. You know, I've been using wax seals. And so check out this wax seal. You can take it off and replace it with others. And this one is a rectangle, and it says hello on it. So I thought that one was kind of cool. And then this guy here, this is a box of another one of these. And that has a sunflower on it. And then again, you can take these off. And let's see. We've got a butterfly. A feather. Little dog paws there. Super cute. A maple leaf. And guess what this one is? What is it? They are leaves like a wreath. So that one is your typical kind of wax seal, right? So that is everything I got. I will put a link in the description below. Let me know if you like that. Give me a big thumbs up if you like to see these little hauls. I think they are awesome and fun. And you know what? I can't wait to make stuff with these. All right, beauties, you have a wonderful day. Let me know if you want me to show you my wax seals. I have a kit, and it's just so much fun. All right, have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.